when couples try for a pregnancy and pregnancy is not happening, so they do not know when to approach a fertility specialist. So if you are married for more than 1 year and your wife's age is less than 34 years, then it is the best time to see a fertility specialist to know the cause of infertility. But if your wife's age is more than 34 years and periods are painful, irregular, and she is a long-standing patient of diabetes and thyroid, then you should see a fertility specialist within 6 months of your marriage.
National President ka NPP ubalong ru Menteri Rang Ba Gajela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulaong ba kilayakren bat kinongelam ke PDF balada long ke bala bagian pyniasoh no syak NPP. Ulaong bagasang PDF kadang lum megajingelang jang Central Executive Committee bad hadian kania kan salum se kajingelang jang General Council. Habakeli hato kadon neam kanu ka jingkular ban asyki Menteri Sorkar. Menteri Rang Ba ulaong bayamentahi kidang dan hapok kejingya keren halor kene kamat. Kumtaan apshoy karai ke bagian syim bat hadian kania kinsa syim karai kumno bania ceprang. Nalor kani ulapan paru ya kejing scam jingmut bo kertong keseng NPP uba samlen malngyang job iki election MLA na soyong constituency. Kamtam haba keseng keletrishtom bat kelayalap election hakaleng gejaka hakathan soyong. Ulaong bau sngo scam manyo ya kejing kersyan na kishnong gitau. Bat bun ginong yalam na kiseng sen pertai gili i kurukom trekam jong sorkar kebelaylam na keseng NPP. Bat kipat ba kesoyong kikwa abandon bat keseng kebelaylam ya kesorkar. Kenang baka soyong constituency kan yo opriang kerhai ya ki kampenroy.
But as I said that we have been engaging with them. We have been discussing with them about the possibility. So I'm told that PDF is having a Central Executive Committee meeting as we speak, or somewhere today in the evening, and then post that they will be having a General Council meeting. So I think PDF leaders would be in a better position to tell you what the decision they've taken.
Is the NPP providing some birth to them that?
As of now, as I said, we are only discussing the matter, so we will wait for the decision that they take, and accordingly we'll decide. Many leaders from different political parties are seeing the government, the fact that the National People's Party is leading the government, and hence there's a sense of strong confidence among the people of Soyong that they should be with the party that is heading the government, so that the constituency, Soyong constituency, can maximum benefit from the development aspect. And therefore, keeping these factors in mind, we are seeing that the response is very good, and we're very confident that we should be able to.